My name is Dowdy. We currently have 3 individual businesses. We have Dowdy's Excavation, Dowdy's Trucking, and Gray Enterprise. Dowdy's Excavation and Dowdy's Trucking, I am part owner, and I own those businesses with my husband. I'm the office manager for both of those businesses. And then Gray Enterprise is my parents' company. I own the general contractor license for that business, and I do all the office work as well. One of the most exciting projects that we have ever worked on was a church that we did here locally in the Rainbow City area. It was the first larger size project that we ever did in all of our companies together as one, and it was really a game changer for our businesses. Thompson Tractor is our equipment provider. They have really great customer service. Anytime we have any problems out of equipment, they will stop what they are doing and come out to the job site and help us get the equipment back on track and ready to go. With construction type businesses, time is money. So if I could give any advice to other women that are starting out in construction type businesses, I would strongly suggest that them just be confident in what they are representing and who they are as an individual, and to know that just because they're a woman does not make them any different than a male.